How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to talk about why is mewing not working. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So why is mewing not working? Now, I'm going to give you guys the definition of mewing. The definition of mewing, all mewing is, you guys, it's super simple. Mewing is trying to get a good jawline. That's all mewing is. A lot of people think, ooh, what's mewing? It's so complicated, blah, blah, blah. It's literally the least complicated thing in the world. All it is you're trying to get a good jawline. That's all it is. So what people have been doing is people have been saying, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth like this. That's a very common thing to do with mewing. Lots of different facial structure exercises to do. It's just basically about moving your jaw into place and using tongue position. That's kind of the basis of mewing. Now, here's why I don't like that, and here's a reason why most people have issues with mewing. I don't think I've actually ever seen someone that's actually had a huge change in their jaw structure. Well, you can't change your jaw structure, but you can make it look leaner just by mewing. So again, the point that we're trying to get is we want our jaw to look nice. Mewing is getting a nice jawline. That's, if you look at the definition online, it's trying to get a nice jawline. That's what the definition is online in the dictionary if you read it. So what we can do, and what a lot of people don't know, is that your face structure, or how your jawline looks, is 100% based on how lean your body fat percentage. If you have a super duper high body fat percentage, your jawline isn't going to look very big. And I'm proof of that. When I'm sitting at 205 pounds, my face looks very puffy. Look at my videos 4 or 5 months ago. You'll notice my videos, my face is really puffy. It's because I'm sitting at 205 pounds. Right now I'm sitting at about 182 and my jawline is super lean. And again, I didn't do no mewing. I didn't sit there with my tongue on the roof of my mouth for 3 hours a day. All I did is I lost body weight, and by losing body weight, what will happen is your jawline will naturally get thinner. Your whole body is going to get thinner. Actually, it's not just your jawline. Your abs are going to get leaner. Your arms are going to get leaner. Everything's going to get leaner. So just keep that in mind. Just literally lose body weight. And if you guys are having issues losing weight, I know it can suck to lose weight. All I recommend doing is increasing your vegetable intake. So if you're not eating any vegetables right now, that's awesome. That just means you have a ton of room for improvement. So start eating vegetables. Easy way to lose weight is literally to eat a cup of vegetables right before you eat your actual meal. What this will do is, because the vegetables are very nutrient dense, it'll fill your stomach up, and then you won't be as hungry to eat your whole meal. And then voila, you magically lose calories and then you lose weight. So that's what I recommend doing. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.